What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 6 of the grade. Today we're talking about lifting your shadows versus crushing your blacks. As you see in this image here, it's already pretty dark. And so the only time we kind of get any peaks in our waveform here is when the guy steps into frame. And that's in our midtones. If I pause here, this is the only time we get some action in the waveform. Alright, I already kind of lowered my shadows. Of course, to fix that, we just hit reset. And so this is what the image looks like already with the color grade we have going. So now the difference between lifting your shadows and crushing your blacks is all depending on what mood you're trying to set. I already know that this is a darker image, and so with that some things are not going to be able to be seen because we wanted him coming out the shadows, and with him coming out the shadows, it's just him coming out the shadows. But we can still get some detail within the shadows. So if we lift the shadows ever so slightly here, I'll show you before, after, before and after, before and after. That kind of helps, gives us a more shape to him. We won't pick up details here anymore. Those are kind of lost. Well, we can pick up those details, but we'll introduce a lot of noise in the image, and that's what we don't want. We'll reset that back here. That's the image we'll go with. So the difference between lifting your shadows and crushing your blacks is really the filmic sense that you're trying to get in within your film. When you have dark footage in general, things are going to be lost in the details. So it's about recovering what you want to recover, and as much as you can, that doesn't break your image. That's it for day 6 of the grade. Tune in for day 7. We'll put all these things together to get your first basic color grade. Deuces.